Now that you've seen the need to be on your game and present your best, it's time to use the optimal performance model to help you develop a plan to excel. The optimal performance model has 4 steps. 1. Gather data. This is where you find out about yourself, what you know, what you don't know, and what environment brings out the best in you. 2. Reflect and generalize. In this step, you will see how receiving feedback and self-disclosing will uncover your potential. Also, you will use a structured process to learn more about yourself. 3. Define your profile. Here you will document what you have learned so that you can reference and act on this newfound information. And 4. Adapt and act. It's practice time. You will be given a couple of case scenarios that will test your ability to put the optimal performance model into practice. In addition, you may very well learn even more about yourself in the process. To reinforce the value of the optimal performance process, you will now view an interview with employers regarding the subject. You'll see how they perceive the importance of employees discovering their optimal performance profile. Following the video interview, take a quick quiz to test your understanding of the optimal performance model.